Boy, Young 360, man.
Matthias, this beat gross as fuck.
Me and Nova on this bitch. Yeah, tell him.
Stay.
Yerp, hey, what's good with YouTube? What's goody in the hoodie? It's your boy Drill-tastic back with another unboxing video. But today we outside with it, you know what I'm saying? And then we got, hold on, watch the transition. My boy Nino. You know what I'm saying? He's special. You know what I'm saying? He the oldest one we got right now. You know what I'm saying? Shay, brother, give me 5, Clyde. Come on, give me 5, Clyde. There we go. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. You know what I mean? Hey, that's a big boy. You know what I'm saying? That's who y'all got me playing against?
Oh, yeah, that's weight room right there. I'm a big boy.
Boy.
Oh,
Damn. My brother. Tell him my brother. And then, hey, look, check the transition. Whoa, look at that boy Espresso. Look at Espresso. Give him Paul. Come on, you can do it. Give me Paul. Come on, I want no kiss, man. Give me Paul. Give me Paul. You being lazy, man. You being just lazy. I'm gonna leave. You don't give me Paul. All right, give me Paul. Good boy. That's what I'm talking about. My man's. It's my man's right there, bro. It's my man's. And then we got, watch this. I'm gonna do a whole 360 off of the, you know what I mean? Watch this. Whoa, there go my girl, Mystery. Give me 5, baby. Give me 5, Mystery. I don't want no kisses. Give me a paw. Give me a paw, Mystery. She been crying lately. Let me wipe her off. That's my baby girl. We had to move her. She ran. We had her up here by my window, but either somebody kept getting her and trying to take her off, or she kept getting off. I don't know. These are some smart dogs, man. But we had to move her over here for now until we finish rebuilding the I almost cussed. Until we finish rebuilding the pit. After we rebuild the pit, that's where she's going. If she's a female. You know what I'm saying? Them strays or none of that. But other than that, I gotta build my boy Espresso another house. Nino's fine. Damn, boy, it's hot. Got my nose in it. And yeah. But anyway, let's get back to these unboxing, man. Damn. What y'all think we got, man? What y'all think we got? I don't know. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see what we got. I'm trying to see. I don't know. And I still didn't bring a key, bro. That motherfucker came in the gym, man. Did y'all see what I just seen? Did y'all hear what I just heard? Boy, that is a blazer. Said blah, 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 blah. That motherfucker came in the gym. Got that motherfucker. He don't want to ride it. Hold on, man. Let me go get a knife. I'll be right back, gang. Bam, gang. We back in action just like that. Had to go get the necessary supplies, man. And let's see what this is. I honestly don't know what this is. It don't look like what I ordered. I best believe this. It ain't what I'm ordering. What is this? Ooh, if y'all can see my face. Ooh, what y'all can say? Ooh. What is this? It's not telling me what it is. That's my road here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We went this route, man. We ain't even gonna. We're not gonna do all the fun and then get it. extra money. As y'all can see, you got the road going up this thing. Yeah, so you get folks that don't know. And then you got the road here. Yeah. I like to get that put on. Yes, sir, ski. And that put on should be a problem. Then they gotta get ready to go back to the fake shop here soon. Anyway, so this is like this came already. That's not it. So we just gonna finish the outside so since we waiting on the outside these things do this. That way when they fire about that motor and everything else, we got free roam. I said free roam, I mean free range. Then I got some content for y'all too. Coming in about a week or two. We got a couple car shows. We have some of the Snang gang down here. We're gonna have some of the but yeah. I'm gonna have some people down here. I don't know if y'all know OTL. Not OTL. I don't know why the fuck I was about to say OTL. We'll have over the moon people down here. You know what I mean? Have some over the limit. We're gonna have some Mopar Mafia. You know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna be at the car shows too. So I just hope y'all stay in tune, bro. Cause if y'all ain't staying tuned, y'all gonna miss it, man. I want y'all to be lit with me. The same shit, man. We finna be on the same thing, gang. Ain't gonna hold you. We finna be on the same thing, gang. And this, I'm pretty sure y'all already. Whoop, I almost grabbed it wrong. But this, I'm pretty sure y'all already know what this is, man. That's that bumper. That's that bumper. They both came in at the same time, too. Listen, bro, I ain't gonna hold you. I don't got all the wrap to re-wrap it, so I'm gonna end the video with this unboxing, right? The roll pan. And when I either get some more tape or it's about to go on, I'ma unbox it then. So, you know what I'm saying? So give me a sec. I might drop that video tomorrow sometime. But hey, it's your boy Dreadtastic signing out. Peace.
Look, I'm stacking the bridge and Lego some Legos, getting to the bridge.